Hello, kindergartners. All right, today we're doing topic 4.2, and we're going to compare numbers up to 10 again. This time we're going to use numerals, but guess what? You're ahead of the game because you used numerals yesterday. All right, I went ahead and started this paper. Make sure you do it with your helper. All you need to do is add 5 red seeds, 7 yellow seeds. Then you're going to write the number of seeds down here for the yellow, the number of seeds up here for the red, and you're going to circle the greater group. That's it. So if I got done, I was told to write 5, so I know that this is going to be a 5. And then I know I was told to write 7, so I know this is 7 because I follow directions. I'm going to put a 7 down here, and then you're going to circle the group that is greater. I bet you already know. It's the 7, isn't it? Good job, kindergartners. While I go to the next page, go ahead and circle the number that is greater, and we're going to get started on our video. Maybe. It takes a while to load, doesn't it? That's why I thought it would be good if you finished up your page. Here we go.
How many tomatoes are there? Let's count. Point and say the number.
I know you know. 1, 2, 3.
There are 3 tomatoes. Let's point and count to see how many peppers are growing.
6, 7. 7 peppers. So that'd be 5 on
There
one
are
side,
7
2 on the
peppers.
other.
Are there more tomatoes or peppers?
That's pretty easy, isn't it? There are definitely more peppers.
There are more peppers. If you match the tomatoes and peppers, there are extra peppers.
There are extra. How many extra? We counted yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Which number is greater, 3 or 7?
We know that too. We're really good with our numbers. We know that 7 is greater than 3.
7 is greater than 3. Or you can say 3 is less than 7.
And both ways are exactly the same.
How many carrots are growing?
Let's count them. 1, 2, whoops. 1, 2.
There are 10 carrots.
4. Oh, I
How
didn't get
many
a chance.
ears of corn are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There are 5 ears of corn. Which group is greater in number? Carrots
Just by
or ears
looking.
of corn?
Definitely carrots. And we also know that the number 10 is 2 hands of fingers, so that's
The
greater
group
than
of
just
carrots
one
is
hand.
greater in number.
So
Which
10
number
greater
is
than
greater?
5 also.
10 or 5?
10. We know that.
10 is greater than 5. Which group is less in number? Carrots or ears of corn?
Ears of corn. You guys,
The group of ears of corn is less in number. 5 is less than 10.
You compared numbers. Nice job.
She did a jump for us. We could probably stop right now and do a jump. Go ahead, push out your chair and take a jump. A jump for joy because you're so good at numbers. And then sit back down with your book, and we're going to go ahead and go over some of our book together. This is exactly what we did yesterday. The only difference is the numbers are there for us. We don't have to find a spot like we did yesterday. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is compare these two groups. If I draw my line from one watering can to the other watering can, whoops, I have more blue watering cans. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Here's my number 3. Tracing over the lines is really tricky with this pen, but I'm getting better at it. I bet you're getting better at tracing too. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 blue watering cans. I'm going to go ahead and write the number 4. Good job, kindergartners. Which numeral is greater? The numeral 4 is greater, and I'm going to go ahead and circle it. If you can find a space, that would be awesome. You could write the numbers, you could write the numbers 3 and 4. I took up a lot of space on this one, didn't I? And then I think I accidentally screenshotted something too. I don't know why. This is 3, 4. Which number is greater? We know where that alligator mouth is going to go. And we also now know how to read it too. We would say 3 is less than 4. You guys are just on top of it. Good job, kindergartners. Here's the page that you're going to do with some help, and I know you can do it. You're going to count the peppers, count the corn, write the numbers. You can match them, And then you're going to circle the greater number. If you want to X out the smaller number, that's great also. And actually, that's what the directions say this time. So we would count how many peppers? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we would, whoops, I forgot to grab my pen. We would grab our 4 here. And then we would write it up here. We'd grab our pen and then write our 4. Let's count the corn. It's 1 more, so I bet it's going to be 5. But let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, kindergartners. And you're going to write your numeral 5 on the bottom line. Try really, really hard to start at the top with the blue and go all the way to the red at the bottom. That's a really good way to write your numerals. Which number is greater? The 5 is greater. Which number is less? The 4 is less, so we're going to cross it off. You do have quite a bit of room right here. So if you wanted to make your 4 and you wanted to make your 5, that would be great. And then go ahead and have the mouth open up to the bigger number and go ahead and read it to your family or your helper. 4 is less than 5. Guys, you're doing awesome, kindergartners. I'm so impressed. This one, the greater group, is on the top. Don't get tricked by that. But go ahead and do the same thing on this page. And then I'm going to flip you to the next page. And this one, you should be ready to do all by yourself. And it says, maybe we'll get there, do the exact same thing. The only difference is this second group, you get to think on your own, which is so important. And what you're going to do is you're going to have students count the flowers in the group. Draw a group of flowers that is less than the group shown. So if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers here, you have to draw a group of flowers that is less than 6. I know you can do it. Helpers, check their work. Make sure they're doing a great job. Kindergartners, I'm so impressed with what you're learning. See you later. Bye.